Hi, in this video we will learn how to remove formulas in Excel and keep only the values. Here you can see that I have several cells containing formulas. Let's start by removing the formula from just one cell. First, select the cell. In my case, it's F4. Now copy this cell using right-click and copy or Control-C. Next, right-click on the same cell, choose Paste Special, and then select Paste Values. As you can see, the formula is now removed and only the value remains in the cell. If you double-click the cell, there is no formula anymore, just the final result. Now let's see how to remove formulas from the entire sheet at once. Click on the top left corner of the worksheet between the row numbers and column letters. This will select the entire sheet. Now copy the whole sheet, then right-click anywhere on the selected area, choose Paste Special, and click Paste Values. You can see that all formulas are gone, and the sheet now contains only static values. This is very useful when you want to share a file, lock results, or prevent formulas from changing.